Hey guys, Robert H here from Bear Bull Traders. Just wanted to do a quick recap of a trade I took on PBR this morning. So PBR at the open was really choppy. These big wicks were not very attractive for an orb. And I kind of just watched it. It was stuck in between all these moving averages on the 5-minute chart. And even on the 1-minute chart, there's just all these moving averages crisscrossing everywhere and clumping up. It was really ugly. But after the first 15 minutes here, I saw that it tested VWAP once. It was losing the 9 and the 20 moving average. So I went short at 945 or 946, and I put my stop loss slightly above VWAP. I was hoping to get to the previous day close despite these moving averages being there. I thought maybe we can just trickle our way down. As you can see on the 1-minute chart, that's my entry, and then it kind of popped up on some strength here. And I stopped out right when the price touched VWAP. On the 1-minute chart, it's not accurate there, but it just touched it, and I stopped out when I should have given it a little bit more room. So I wasn't really proud of that. But after, I think, what is this, the 955 candle, I saw that on the 1-minute chart, the 200 was strong support, and I just waited. I told myself, if this thing breaks the 200, I'm going to go short again, because there's really no resistance all the way down to the previous day close. So that's what I did. I went short, and then it just collapsed. Boom, just went through both moving averages, and then I covered a little bit at the previous day close here. And this was kind of an ABCD, reverse ABCD. A, B, C, and D. So this would have been another decent entry here if you were caught it on the new 5-minute low. So I was already in it, and then I just took some profit along the way on this doji. It wasn't really spooked out because my entry was really good up here at 983 or 984, and that's a pretty big move on a stock like PBR. It's a NYSE stock, and it's quite a slow mover when it's not in play. So if you're getting 20-30 cents on this thing, it's actually a really good move. I have a level from 940 at 942 here, which is from the daily chart. I think it's some sort of low or support point from last December, and I've seen it test this 942 a few times earlier in the week. So I was hoping we'd get there, in which we ended up doing, and I covered some more there. And then it started showing signs of a reversal, broke through the 9, broke through the 20. I had very small amount of shares left, and I kind of wanted just to ride the trend. I'm hoping it would just fade the whole day, because my break even again was pretty good. But once it got back to VWAP and showed some strength there, I was just like, whatever, just cover it, and then I was all out. So this entire trade was what are we looking at here? It's over an hour, I guess. Yeah, that is over an hour. But even if you just exclude this portion here, which is kind of just for fun, but that was almost an hour. So that's a huge move. 40-cent drop. I scaled out obviously, but I had a pretty big share size, and I'm happy with what I'm most proud of is that I came back in despite stopping out the first time, which was probably a chicken move, but I came back in, and I was rewarded for that. So that's my recap, and thanks for watching.